Most people think a storm or a cyclone ends when the rain and the winds stop, but this can be one of the most dangerous times. I'm Geoff Evans. I was a firefighter for over a decade and I co-founded Disaster Relief Australia. I've led recovery operations for some of the country's worst floods, storms and cyclones. And if there's one thing I know, it's that after severe weather passes, it's natural to want to get back to normal quickly. But there are some obvious dangers you need to look out for and some not so obvious ones. First, let's talk about electricity. After wild weather, power systems can be compromised. Turn off your power and gas before the flood or the cyclone, and always stay well clear from down power lines. Never use an appliance that's been underwater. Instead, wait for official clearance from your electricity provider before reconnecting the power, and have a qualified electrician check your home. Risk number 2, contaminants in the floodwater. I've seen everything from dead snakes to household debris, but there'll be chemicals and bacteria too. It's a very hazardous environment. Let floodwaters completely subside before starting your cleanup. And when you do start, always wear waterproof boots, gloves, safety goggles, and a face mask. Third on the list, generator safety. Generators can be incredibly useful for keeping the fridge running when the power's out, but always run them outdoors with proper ventilation to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. And the last safety risk that many just don't see coming, people re-entering homes that are unsafe because of structural damage. Look for leaning walls, cracked foundations, or sagging floors and roofs. If you see any of these signs or have any doubts, do not enter the property. Contact emergency services or your local council. Remember, recovery is a marathon, not a sprint. See you prepared for more helpful information, including expert advice and practical resources.